This question says that Dinara is working 2 part-time jobs. She gets paid $5 per hour to babysit and $8 per hour to scoop ice cream. She made exactly $64 this week and worked a total of 11 hours. All right, so we have some constraints. We have some variables we're probably going to use here, and they want us to build a system of equations, linear equations, to model all of that information. All right, well, let's start with what we know. She gets paid $5 per hour. Let's go ahead and assign a variable to the hours, right? It's $5 per hour, so you need to multiply 5 times the number of hours. I'm going to call it X. And then she also gets paid $8 an hour to scoop ice cream. So that number of hours might be Y. So 8Y and 5X could be part of it. And then in total, when you add up all the money she made $64 at the end of the week. So we know that these two added together actually equals $64. And she worked a total of 11 hours as well. So remember, X and Y represent the number of hours she worked at those two different jobs. And so you could also say X plus Y equals 11, because that is the total number of hours she worked from one job added with the other, and that's the total. All right, so now we're just looking for some sort of equation that puts this all together. Actually, two equations. So A says 5x plus 8y equals 64. Well, it has all the pieces we want. We have the 5x, we have the 8y, and we know that it equals 64. That's pretty good. And then x plus y equals 11. That's even better. That's the exact equation we have here. So A looks like the front runner so far. Let's go through the other options. B, 5x plus 8y, that's good, equals 11. Well, 8 and 5 are talking about money. Remember that. 11 is not talking about money, right? So 5x plus 8y, and then you're talking about hours all of a sudden? That doesn't make sense. C, 5 plus x equals 64. Well, just right there. 5 is the amount of money she gets paid per hour. So you need to be multiplying it with some variable. So 5 plus x? No, that's not going to work. Last possible option here is D, 5x equals 64, and 8y equals 11. Okay, well, 5x, 5 times x, okay, that's the amount of money she would get paid working at the babysitting job, equals 64. Well, we know she actually worked 2 jobs. So that 64 should be part of the 5x, and part of it is the other part-time job, which is the scooping ice cream. So it doesn't include both jobs. That doesn't work. Our answer is going to be A.